Welcome back to the show, guys. This is Destination Delicious, and we are putting the destination back into the name. We are back on the road.
We are here in warm, beautiful, sunny Panama City Beach, Florida, and this is December. I can't believe it.
Yeah. 2 weeks ago we were in hoodies and beanies and all bundled up.
Yeah, freezing
huddling
in
next
Maryland.
to the griddle for heat.
But here we are today. We're so excited to be back on the road, cooking for you and showing you some amazing places that we travel to.
Yep, so we made it down the coast. It was a nice, easy trip. Well, I wouldn't say it's a nice, easy trip. We are learning life on the road with a newborn. And that obviously presents some challenges, but we're having fun so far, and it feels really good to be back on the road.
We have a short window where the kids are going to entertain themselves, so we're making this quick one for you, and today we are going to make sweet chili turkey poppers.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
To get us started, I am going to cut our hickory smoked bacon into thirds. I'm going to separate them just a little bit, that way it's easier when Spencer has the turkey cut up to wrap our poppers in bacon.
All right, well, I was going to try and open it the civil way, but knife always works better. All right, so we've got a chicken breast here that's already turkey breast. We're doing turkey poppers, so we should probably have a turkey breast, right? So this is actually a turkey breast that we have here, and I'm going to cut it into bite-sized chunks so that we can wrap it with bacon. This campground we were in, it's not too far from the road, but it's also right across, or right next to, a zoo. So if you hear some strange noises while we cook today, don't be alarmed for our safety.
Now it's time to assemble our poppers. We've got our bacon, our turkey. We're gonna wrap and stick.
We're gonna wrap and stick.
Really, you can't go wrong with anything that involves bacon, but these are absolutely one of my favorites. So we can't take credit for this recipe. A couple of years ago, I was in Texas turkey hunting with some friends, and after a harvest, we made fresh turkey poppers with their recipe. And ever since then, we've been making it because it is so delicious. I cannot wait for you to see how these turn out and then hopefully try them at home. I found that it's best when sticking the toothpick in the bacon, stick in where the bacon ends meet to make sure it stays on your popper.
Before we season our poppers, we're gonna get them on the griddle so that they can cook through just a little bit. We don't wanna season them too early and then burn it on the griddle.
The smell of bacon on a griddle is like one of the best smells ever. Now that we have our poppers started, I'm gonna make our 2-ingredient seasoning using light brown sugar and chili powder. Not gonna measure here, we're just gonna put some in the bowl, mix it up, and then toss our poppers in. I'm gonna eyeball this here, so I wanna make sure I can see a little bit of that chili powder coming through the brown sugar. If I don't, once it's all mixed in, I'll add a little bit more.
This smells amazing. I'm sure the zoo animals are going nuts over the fence over there. But I've got the griddle set to low because we want to make sure we don't burn the bacon while we're trying to cook the turkey through.
The poppers are looking great. We're gonna add a few to our seasoning, get them tossed back on the griddle, and then we'll repeat it until all the poppers are coated. Smells so good. Truly, this is one of our absolute favorite meals. I mean, for the most part, we obviously only cook things we love, but this is so easy and so delicious. Okay, ready to get them back on. Here's where it gets a little messy and gooey, and this is why we love to make them on the griddle because it's so easy to clean and absolutely worth the gooey messiness.
Like Christy said, this is definitely getting a little messy and gooey. Now that we've got them back on the griddle with all that brown sugar on it, it's gonna start to melt and caramelize. And at this point, while we finish cooking the poppers, I'm gonna toss them regularly because if I don't, that sugar's gonna burn and get hard and crusty. So I'm gonna keep them moving while we finish cooking, and we are coming down the home stretch right now.
These look fantastic. They smell delicious. Our last final touch is some honey, Cade's absolute favorite. So I'm gonna pour a little bit in a dish for some dipping. And then we're gonna drizzle this sweet honey all over our poppers and dig in.
These smell amazing.
Yes, somebody else smelled them and came out to try.
What do you think, buddy? They look pretty tasty? I mean, you smell bacon, so anytime he smells bacon, he
We've
comes
got a
running.
little baconator right here.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to dive in? Let's do it. Oh my god.
If you like salty sweet, this will be your jam.
Everything is so good. Like the way that the brown sugar chili seasoning even caramelized on the outside, the texture of the crispy bacon, the juicy, tender turkey inside, and this honey goodness is so amazing. Looks like you're going to town, right? These are delicious.
What do you think, dude?
So best appetizer, we're gonna chow down on these. Thank you for tuning in. We love cooking for all of you.
Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and hit that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the videos from all the great cooks.
Like Nate, CJ, Todd, Betty, Bruce, and us.
And
You got it.
Like?
Yeah.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious. Back to the destination part, and we will see you down the road.